Okay, as you can see now, front end, oh yeah, I cut myself, whoops. Radiator assembly is now on. All of the pipes for the coolant are attached and the plugs associated with such. However, met an issue. Don't know if you can see in there, but something's not adding up very well. It's probably from the crash, to be fair, let's be real. That's not lining up perfectly. And I believe, yeah, the story on this side as well is not too different. I've got a little bit of a structural issue, but it's not major. I reckon, obviously this was the side that took the impact, and I reckon this might have just been pushed in at the back. And we've got this little bit here I'm trying to figure out, because obviously this is the wheel arch where the bumper connects to, so I'm not sure how well the bumper's going to sit when I put it back on. But so far it's been trouble free. I mean, I've tried doing a bootleg pressure test on the coolant system, but yeah, not crazy progress at the moment, but this is so far in the day. It's looking good.